All right, morning. It's I don't know, it's about 9:30, I think, on Friday. So we've done the address reveal. 1122 Boone Hill Drive, Lynchburg 24503. The house it's already sold, so don't even bother asking. Beautiful Boonesboro home. So, sold by Robert Dawson. Worked on another house that he sold last year. I better stop that, it's noisy. Alright, so lots of parking, but obviously don't block anyone's driveway and don't block anyone's postbox Saturday, because you still get the post on Saturday. We're doing our normal thing. We've got the house jam-packed full. We've got stuff in every nook and cranny, you know us. So we've got bikes, and we've got a Giant, and we've got a Cannondale over there, and then a Schwinn. We've got outdoor furniture, rustic furniture, a bit of everything, you know us. Something for everyone. So little Wyatt, Tim's son, is going to be set up here. He's going to do some snacks and water, because it is going to be warm and it's going to be nice, and we're not going to have any rain. All right. And then front door is here. We just open up at 10 a.m. No pre-sales. Try and make it fair for everyone. Front door, that will open at 10 a.m. We've got some amazing stuff. We've got fantastic rugs. Furniture, art, lamps. I mean, we've got it all. We've even got some bloody orchids here growing. Yellow cabbageware collection is just fantastic, especially when it's all together like this. Something for everyone, from $1 to, I think, $1,500 maybe. So dining room, but all sales are final. We're not Walmart, you can't bring it back. No pressure. You look at something, you sit in it, you turn it on, you whatever you do with it. And then if you buy it, it's yours. No returns, all sales are final, because this is not my stuff. Beautiful Kittinger furniture. This is the dining room table. It's a drop leaf, so it folds down to that. But then it's got two demi-lunes on either end, which can go against a wall. So it's like a transformer piece. It's just, you can use it in a few different ways. You're basically getting like 3 tables for it, for the price of 1. Yellow damask seats. And then we've got a smaller dining room table in here with 1 leaf, but we've got the pads as well, just excellent condition. It's got the shell motif. This could, could be painted, lacquered, new, or even just put new funky fabric on the seats. Excellent condition. Rugs. I mean, I just love rugs. You've got to have rugs in a home. Just warms up the space. Runners. We've got little mats, like doormats, or you can put that in a bathroom or kitchen. Furniture, barware, glasses. I mean, just boots. Fantastic books. A box collection. Okay, so just show you here. This is going to be checkout for me and Bridget. Main checkout. Okay, in the kitchen. Give you a view here. Trying to walk slowly. Got fantastic mirrors. Ottoman there. artwork here. Abstract original. Another runner, more artwork, great frames, like burlwood frames these are. Very pretty. Original watercolour. So we've got, this bedroom is where the Louis Vuitton is. We've had a million bazillion questions about that. Clothes. Fantastic bed in here, look at that. Queen bed, there's the Louis Vuitton. And we stage logically, like we say, you know, soaps in the bathroom and nightstands, bedside tables beside the bed, lamps, and we try and set it up like a, look, someone's actually still living here, of course. Okay, so bathroom stuff. Got this hallway. Oh, fun piece. Another bedroom. Another queen bed. This is Lane furniture, but isn't this nice? Love that piece. That would be fantastic painted. Another bathroom here. More artwork. Handbags, clothes, jewellery. You probably just buy that for the frame. Although you might like the bloke that's in the painting too. Scarves and shoes. We've got the price lists. Walk through here. Look at that piece. And as I say, the books, we've got fantastic books. Bose system there, more art. And look at these cups. They're originally from Ivy Nursery. Use those as a jigger or you just display them. We've got more artwork, a federal style mirror. This is the back deck. You come through this door. The usual, we've got the grill and patio furniture. I think these covers are kind of cool and funky, but you know, of course, you get some fabric and they can be reupholstered. Bloody starting to spit rain now, crying out loud. Anyway, I can't control the weather. Okay, there's another little sitting area here. This is a cool bench. The drawers pull out, there's 2 drawers. I've got 6 of these painted chairs. It's chocolate brown with a lime green and a mustard, which sounds just absolutely awful, but it just works. This is an original. That's Ward's Road. There's a one I thought was kind of like Rothko-esque, especially the sky. Runners and rugs. We've got desk decor, bookends, cookbooks, original art, prints. Master bedroom. This bed is fantastic. It's got the wheat sheaf motif on here, 4-poster bed. That's a king. These are the bed canopies. You can sell. You can hang curtains from those, according to Bridget. Okay, and we've got a high boy there. Blue velvet sofa. Asian art. I mean, we all love this rug. Lots of clothes. So this is the men's closet. We've got the bathroom. And then we've got clothes in here. Turn the light on. Women's clothes in here. Okay. Because I know when you walk in, you take screenshots of these videos and you say, where's this, where's this? And the laundry room, got kitchen items in here. Pyrex with the covers, the travel containers, you know, travel casserole dishes. Kind of a little bar area. We've got the, now obviously all the appliances stay with the house. Got some great handbags. This is the garage. We'll be tidying this up. But everything is priced in there. And then basement. It's going to be a long bloody video, isn't it? I've got to hurry up. Just goes on and on. This is the kind of beach room. Another rug. The gymnasium. The gym. We got yoga stuff, the step thing, the ball, the, I don't know what the hell these things are. Rebounder thing, I don't know. The usual gym stuff. Treadmill, bike. What's that? I don't know what that is. One of those kind of elliptical, is it? I have no idea. And then there's a kind of a bike. And we got yoga mats. More artwork. This is Lynchburg College. More clothes in here. Look at this, cedar lined closet. More stuff. Kitchen items and cutlery and coffee machines and God knows what. And everything is priced. You know us, we try to make it really easy for you. A really nice shopping experience. We've got a really nice sort of breakfast, eating, dining set. Look at her. It's kind of like the big eyes thing, isn't it? More rugs. Look at this fantastic roller. Another rug, a leather sofa, a brown leather sofa. Haven't put the lights on in here because I don't know where they are yet. This just gives you an idea, right? You can go on my social media, on my Facebook and YouTube, no, Instagram and all that. So we've got an officey area here. Printers and air conditioners and oh, another treadmill. And we've got this great MCM credenza here and the brass feet. Chest on chest. Floor lamps, great frames. Lots and lots of books. And this is the horse room, the equestrian room. Look at that bloody rug. Recently cleaned. And equestrian slash duck stuff. Look at that, it's a coffee table book. Look. Isn't that, look at that. You know, we have lots of horse people out there. Got some cool horse art. Great furniture. And even this guy. And I love this one. I'm not really a horse person, but another really nice, cool, rustic, what is it, side table. We've got chaps and riding hats and bridles and all that horse stuff. I don't know what it's the technical term for this kind of stuff is. And then, oh yeah, we've also got the back. I won't open it at the moment because I'm going to pop back. I've got to finish this video, but we've got an outside area at the back, patio, under the deck. And look at those rugs. Grass looks really green, doesn't it? Lots of baskets. Okay, now, and then one more. Let me just run up there because I've got to. I'm waffling on this video. It's going on and on and on. And we've got the basement. Not the basement, we've just been to the basement. Hold on. The attic. You've got stuff everywhere. Okay, so we've got, you know, just random fabric. We've got art, wheelchairs, crutches, snow plows, luggage, Christmas. The gumdrop Christmas tree, the carved wood nativity. And heads up, I'm not responsible if you bonk your head. All right, I'm going to finish it because this is going to be a long bloody video, isn't it? See you tomorrow, 10 a.m. at the front door, 1122 Boone Hill Drive, Lynchburg, Virginia, 24503. We'll see you right there at 10 a.m. Cheers.